In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to use the full Leaf Tea Signature Infuser to brew the perfect cup of tea. Inside the packaging, you'll find the silicone leaf-shaped top already attached to the stainless steel basket, along with a matching silicone base. To start, remove the silicone top by gently pulling it off the stainless steel basket. The infuser comes in 3 parts: the silicone top, the stainless steel basket, and the silicone base. Here's how to use it. Add your desired amount of tea leaves to the stainless steel basket. Next, attach the silicone top to the basket by securely fitting the bottom crease inside the top of the basket. Make sure no part of the crease is exposed to ensure a snug fit and prevent any tea leaves from escaping. Place the infuser in your cup and fill it with near boiling filtered water. Let your tea steep for the recommended time. Then carefully remove the infuser. Allow any excess tea to drip off before placing it on the silicone base to keep your surfaces clean and dry. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and until next time, happy steeping.